Hi there! Welcome to Startup Sparks Bakery, where every bite is a little spark of joy.
How to start a home-baked goods business in the USA without hassle. Welcome back, everyone, to Startup Sparks USA.
Today we're discussing a super delicious business idea, starting a home-baked goods business in the USA with almost no hassle.
Yes, you heard that right. Cookies, cakes, brownies, and bread made from your own kitchen and sold legally. If you're a great baker, and if you've ever dreamed of turning your love of baking into a small business, then this video is for you. Let's get started. First of all, what exactly is a home-baked goods business? It's when you make baked goods like cookies, cupcakes, muffins, or bread in your home kitchen, and then sell them directly to customers. Now, you might be wondering, is it legal? The good news is yes, thanks to something called Cottage food laws. Cottage food laws are special rules in the United States that allow regular people like you and me to sell homemade baked goods without an expensive bakery or restaurant license. But every state has its own laws. Some states are very simple, some have a few extra steps. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the easiest ones. Now, why is this one of the best low-cost startup ideas in the United States? Number one, the ingredients are cheap.
You can start your baking journey with just a few affordable ingredients.
Flour, sugar, butter, eggs, you can get started for less than $100. Number two, you already have the equipment. Your home oven, baking trays, mixing bowls, that's your bakery. Number three, no storefront required. You can sell at farmers markets, through social media, or even from your own home. This means you can test the business with almost zero risk. Okay, now let's talk about the states where it's easiest to get started. Here are a few examples where you can get started with little to no licensing. Florida, you don't need a license or inspection. Just follow simple labeling rules and keep sales under $250,000 a year. Michigan, no permits or applications. Just start selling non-hazardous baked goods directly to customers. Mississippi, no registration, no license, no permits. As long as it's a safe food like cookies or bread, you're good to go. Tennessee, as of 2022, you don't even need a license. You can sell online, at farmers markets, and even ship within the state. Imagine, you could literally bake cookies at home and sell them tomorrow without any major hassle.
Welcome to Startup Sparks Bakery. We've got fresh treats for you.
Some states may ask you to take a food safety course, usually online and very easy. Others may want you to register your business with the local health department. Most require you to put labels on your baked goods saying, made in a home kitchen or not inspected. Still, this is very low cost and simple compared to opening a full bakery. Here's your easy startup plan. Choose one or two baked goods that you're really good at. Purchase some basic packaging like cookie bags or cake boxes. Add a simple label that says, made in a home kitchen, which is required in most states.
Now let's talk about the fun part, how to sell your baked goods. Here are 5 simple ways to start selling.
Transcription. Number 1. Friends and family first. Start with people you already know. Word of mouth spreads fast.
Number 2. Farmers markets and local events. Rent a small booth, show off your cookies or muffins, and meet local customers. Number 3. Social media. Use Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Post photos and short videos of your baking process. People love behind-the-scenes content. Number 4. Neighborhood groups. Join Facebook Marketplace, Nextdoor, or local community boards where people look for homemade treats. Number 5. Special orders. Offer birthday cakes, holiday cookie boxes, or office snacks. These bring in bigger sales quickly. The key is to start small, build trust, and let your delicious bacon do the marketing for you. Here's a quick recap to get started. Pick your best recipe. Get simple packaging and add a made-in-a-home kitchen label. start selling locally and online. Keep growing as demand increases. That's it. You're officially a business owner. So there you go. Starting a home-baked goods business in the USA can be done with almost no hassle, at very low cost, and now you know how to sell your goodies too. Tell me in the comments, what would you sell first? Cookies, cakes, or bread? And don't forget to subscribe to Startup Sparks USA for more simple, low-cost business ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy baking.
Which one of these delicious treats will you choose today?
Thank you for joining us. We hope to see you again soon.